What's up, folks? 85 Trader here. I'm doing my recap a little early here. Um, yeah, I'm minus 50 something. I took a trade in my demo account to test something out, but yeah, minus 50 something, and I'm kind of frustrated because I chickened out again. Um, Plus, I filmed this or recorded this already, and then kind of found out my microphone was muted. But um, BAC, man. So BAC, I took BAC long at the open. Looking for open range breakup, but I also was anticipating a breakdown because I knew the 9 moving average was under VWAP. Like the last video, I looked for that trade where the VWAP is above the 9, the 20, and the 50 for when it goes up. I'm expecting it to come down at some point or pull back. Same thing when it's down, I'm expecting it to go back up. And for some reason, I just chickened out. That was in the back of my mind. So I took it long, perfect entry, 400 shares, 35, 30, 40, 30, 53, and it pushed up about almost 20 cents. So that'd have been at least 50 bucks on that trade had I held it all the way close to 80. Missed out. The price action did eventually roll over, which is what I was anticipating. I just didn't hold it and I lucked out. So I broke even on that. Then I took a trade on work. Work, again, I was just too early, as I always am. Maybe I need to start waiting for that curl to show versus getting in before the curl. I got in on the 2 minute, had the curl price action pushed up temporarily. I think I was up. Let me see, I took 200 shares, 400 shares, 2308. I was up 40 bucks. Thought it might keep running like it did here. Roll back over. Then it finally made that move. So I missed out on that. Lost 24 bucks on that. I was frustrated at that. Very frustrated. Um, ABT. Um, Very frustrating because I took this long with the anticipation of the same thing, this move going up, but it was a slow grind and I got stopped out before it happened. Pushed up, well, went long, stopped out, got back in 100 shares, took it off after I felt like it ran out of steam, especially at the 50 because I knew stocks pulled back at the 50. Then I took a short, made four bucks, and that's when that move finally started to happen. So none of these moves really like to happen when I get in. They like to happen after the fact. So this might actually be a decent short here at some point. I don't know. I'm not gonna take it though. It might actually roll over to about 82.50 before going back up and making another run. But what else? W day. I'm thinking about really thinking about trading the open again because I keep missing these moves and I see these, especially when the moving averages are lined up so perfectly like this. You can anticipate a pullback possibly, but you could go short here with a stop above this right here or above this 20 is man, that was a lot. That was 167 down. That's almost 10 points. 10 clean points almost. At least seven, six, 5 to 7 clean points. Like you can't help but try to trade that, man. So I missed out on that. But again, this is in my trading my sim account, so it is what it is. I did try to take a short here on PAGs. I went short 100 shares here on short sale restriction, didn't get filled. Price action went down without me, then I canceled the order. VIVE, we had a member that took, you see that curl right there where the doji happened actually, but they took it on the second curl right here, and they got that ride up. So that was a really nice trade. They literally got in right here and pushed up. So that's why I take that curl because I'm not the only one seeing this. It's just for some reason I can't get it when the move is actually happening. I always get it sometimes before the move happens, so I get chopped up or stopped out. And that's like detrimental to a small account. But I did see this right here. I missed it. As far as trading it, I missed it, but I did see it. I was watching this because I was pissed off. I was just seeing it go up after I took the same fucking trade and it just didn't go my way. And then it finally sold up. But by this time, again, I didn't want to. I already lost 1%, and I don't want to take it again. So it is what it is. But that's my day, minus 54. At the ECN fees, I'm looking at probably minus because this is 13 bucks. It's your share count times 0.005, so that's 13 bucks. So I'm looking at probably right at minus 70 bucks, 65, 70 bucks. So it gets tougher and tougher to trade the smaller your account gets, but um, just all this is just mistakes, man. Like you guys have seen my trades over the past like week and a half, 2 weeks. I make mistakes, and if I just ride my trades out when I had the opportunities, I wouldn't be in this position, or at least as bad, because my losses would have been negated by the amount of gain had I just let my trades run. Like BAC, this is going to be another one that had I let it run, I probably wouldn't have been negative today because I probably would have stopped. I'd be like, all right, I'm making my money back. I'm going to stop. I probably would have stopped. And, you know, here we are again. So, yeah, got a lot of thinking, get back in my simulator, but my tradingsim.com account and trade some. So, see you on the next one.